What's ginger with 4 legs, a tail, and lands on its feet?
Huh?
Let's find out. Hey, cut the crap. Tonight, is it fish or beef?
What was the second one?
I'll get the fish. You get the booze.
Head for the tower! There! Boss, you gotta come right away. It's the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. Did you know I'm starting Furbook, the cat-on-cat hookup app?
Blackie, you went back to pimping? Hey, baby, I'm SHERO. You want some? Where's the booze? And another thing, you don't bother to feed me or get me any booze.
Can I get some peace? Get out of here, loser!
And when did you last get laid? You're too busy stroking your noisemaker.
What?
You're cute, you know that?
You're wonderful. Oh!
That's gotta hurt.
No sex, no food, no booze, and you think you got it bad.